marshmallow hair mask. Okay, my hair feels soft and conditioned.
Happy New Year, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out marshmallow powder. Okay, I washed my hair yesterday and I wasn't able to decondition or do anything to my hair. So, this is my hair without any products. Okay, I just twisted it up and went to bed. But today, I'm going to be trying out this marshmallow powder, and marshmallow has a lot of wonderful and amazing benefits for natural hair. So without further rambling, let's get into the video. For this marshmallow powder hair mask, I didn't have any specific measurements or recipe that I was following. I was just going with the flow, as you can see from the way I was pouring the powder in. But this is 100 grams of marshmallow powder, and I ended up emptying it after I started mixing the paste. And this is what the powder looks like. Okay, it is milky white in color. Okay, anyways, once I was done separating the quantity of the marshmallow powder I was going to use, I started mixing it using warm water, and I kept adding the water bit by bit. As I was adding the warm water to the powder and trying to mix it up, it just seemed like it was forming clumps and lumps. It was a bit hard to mix this up. Anyways, I went in with a few drops of my Ayurvedic hair growth oil, and as I was saying, trying to mix this up, it's the way it is when you blend okra and pour water into it and you're trying to stir it. That was how it felt. Okay, marshmallow powder is a natural ingredient that is known for its mucilage content, and it can provide multiple benefits to our hair. As you can see, I'm getting a smoother paste as I continue to stir the paste, and it took me about 10 minutes to get a smooth paste like this one. And you guys, look at that sleep. Anyways, I'm going to set the paste aside and prep my hair for the application. I'm quickly going to wet my hair with warm water from my spray bottle, and I really wish I was able to apply this marshmallow mask on my hair yesterday after washing my hair, because I just feel like applying my deep conditioners, hair masks, or other products immediately I am done washing my hair makes it more effective. But anyways, I'm just going to work with my hair by spraying warm water and massaging it into my hair. Can you guys see how slimy the paste is? It's giving okra vibes. Anyways, I'm just going to start applying this paste from the ends of my hair and work my way up to the roots of my hair. And once I started the application, I realized it was a little bit difficult to like apply the paste evenly to my hair. Once I applied it to a section, it just sat at that point, even when I was trying to spread it evenly. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. So with this type of hair mask, you definitely need to work in smaller sections for you to be able to spread the hair mask evenly throughout your hair. This hair mask honestly didn't seem to have that much sleep on my hair like I was expecting, considering the sleep and mucilage content he has. Anyways, this is what my hair looks like once I was done applying to this section, and I proceeded to like wrap my hair into a bantu knot and proceeded to the next section. Once again, I'm starting off by spraying my hair with warm water and massaging the warm water in before I start the application of the marshmallow hair mask. And let's talk about the benefits of this marshmallow hair mask for natural hair. Marshmallow powder is known for its soothing, moisturizing, and conditioning properties, which is like the main reason I'm trying it out. And if you're in Nigeria, you know how dry the current weather condition is. So my hair definitely needs lots of moisturizing and conditioning right now. Also, marshmallow can be especially beneficial for scalp hydration
and it can stimulate the scalp and increase blood circulation, which can lead to thicker and healthier hair. It can also soothe scalp irritation, and marshmallow roots can also be used to detangle your hair as it has a bit of slip to it. It also conditions and softens the hair because of its emollient properties. It can also promote healthy hair growth due to the presence of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It also adds shine to the hair and reduces frizz. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with itchy scalp and dandruff. Anyways, I'm done applying this hair mask to the back section of my hair, and I just have those two sections in front, and I am out of the hair mask at this point. But I try to finish up, manage and finish up so that every strand of my hair is well coated, and this is what my hair looks like once I was done applying the hair mask. And I just went ahead to cover my hair up in a with a plastic bag, and I went over that with my shower cap and then my heating cap, and I set it to the low heat setting and set my alarm for 25 minutes. And this is me after 25 minutes. And this is what my hair looks like afterwards. I tried to comb a section of my hair just to see how it will feel, and it was a little bit difficult even though my hair was detangled prior to this hair mask application. And anyways, I proceeded to do a mermaid bath, okay? And if you're someone that does a lot of hair marks and you find it difficult to wash out the marks, then make sure you always try out a mermaid bath before you proceed to go to the shower to wash out the marks, okay? And a mermaid bath simply involves you using a bowl like I'm doing, or maybe your bath tube. Just fill whatever it is with water and just twirl and shake your hair inside the bowl, and most of the marks is going to come out from your hair, and
Okay.
this is what my hair looks like after the mermaid bath. Most of the hair mask particles were out, okay, but I proceeded to hop into the shower and wash my hair thoroughly, and in no time my hair was clean. And to be honest, it was really easy to get out this hair marks from my hair, and as you can see, my hair is clean. And this is what my hair looks like once I was done getting out the hair marks from my hair. My hair feels soft, conditioned, and moisturized. Like, you know, the feeling you get, or the way your hair feels once you're done deep conditioning. Yeah, something similar to that. That's how my hair feels. It also seems like my curls are more defined. Anyways, I'll definitely be trying out this marshmallow hair mask once again. I'm going to follow up with a deep conditioner because I do not know when next I'm going to wash my hair all out like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.